How to add multiple Instagram accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and at the very end you can see the option of add account. So if you want to add multiple Instagram accounts, simply tap on add account, and here you can simply select on log into existing account if you want to add that particular account which is already existing, or you can also create new account. So you can simply select on create new account if you want. If not, you can just select on whichever option is more convenient. Then here simply you have to enter the username and then tap on next, and as you tap on next you can simply share the logins or you can create password over here. Now you can just enter password and then you can verify yourself and you'll be able to add multiple Instagram accounts like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.